Hello Blogineers, today we're going to unbox and review MicroMacro Crime City Full House. This game is made by Pegasus Spiel. It's for ages 12 and up, but Brother's totally able to play because this is the sequel to the last game of MicroMacro Crime City.
And this is the standalone game.
So you don't have to have the original one to play this. It takes 15 to 45 minutes because each case has different difficulty.
For each case. Each one.
Yeah. And
1 to 4 players, so you can do it by yourself.
It's cooperative. Alright, and the top says, get started right away, solve your first case. Who murdered the ice cream vendor?
I know.
So this game is kind of like, Where's Waldo? Because you're trying to find that character on the game board. The only thing is that you'll find the characters multiple times.
And then the cards will ask you a question and you have to try to figure it out.
So for example, if there was a bunny that started over here, then you might find him as one image here and then another image here, which means that he walked from here to there. And then if there's a wolf stalking him, then the wolf might be peeking out of the building until the final ending scene where the wolf shoots the bunny or something.
Like here.
This is a game about solving crime, but there's no scary images, so it's kid friendly for the most part.
This is the scariest it gets, just that. Maybe a bit creepy.
Yeah,
that's about it.
And it's also black and white.
Yeah.
The original game won the Spiel des Jahres, which is the Germany Game of the Year, so this one should be good too. Trigger warning. MicroMacro contains explicit depiction and mention of physical and emotional violence, death, a spider, and other animals that cause fear or disgust.
Okay, let's just...
A spider.
Let's just open this.
I love how the spider had to go with violence. Oh, each case now includes recommendations for age appropriateness. That's cool. Good job. That was neat. Warning, spoiler alert. Yeah, that's because... Here are the cards. Just like last time, for each case, there's a small stack of cards, and you reveal them one by one to kind of play out the crime story.
Oh, and here, in the rule book, they show you the 3 things.
So on the front of the card, there would be a question, like, where was this guy at, or what did he eat? And then on the back is the solution.
Oh, so here they show you the murdery thing.
Yeah.
The scary.
The top with the happy face means that there's no depictions of anything
like this one.
Scary.
Kind of like this one, the happy face.
The glasses means that there might contain depictions of accidents, murders, and corpses.
Like this one.
I love how they describe these things. And then the one with the eye patch means, like, the maybe not for children.
Oh, look, it's the snow carrot man thingy. Let's see the map.
Oh, dear parents, MicroMacro can also be greatly enjoyed by children. However, even though there are no direct depictions of violence in the game, many cases involve murders and relationship dramas. In our experience, most children over the age of 10 years old can handle these types of crime stories.
Oh, I'm not.
I mean, we played the last one. It wasn't that bad.
How scary can it get? Okay, what's these? Oh, these are the envelopes to store the stories that you're done with.
Once you're done with each of the 16 crime stories, you kind of already know the answer, but if you go back years later, you'll forget it.
Okay.
And also, you could easily replay it. It's still gonna be fun.
Oh, there's a sticker. There's the map. Wait, is it? It looks bigger than last time, but it's about the same.
Is it double?
There's also a magnifying glass like the other one, but...
it's actually not bad.
It has plastic on it, I think. Yeah, it has.
But it works perfectly. It's not just a toy magnifying glass. It actually works. This is hard to open.
Actually, it doesn't have plastic.
I haven't even opened the whole thing, but you get the idea. Oh, it's upside down. Okay, I cannot
I got it,
open
I got it.
No, we don't need to because the camera doesn't even go off now. I haven't opened the whole thing, but you can pretty much see most of it. It's another town. Oh, that would be cool. That would be cool if the two maps linked together. But I don't think they do. Is this one bigger?
Oh yeah, this is a different map. Oh, this one has a metro. That's above ground. So
Wait,
you
where?
Can see it.
Where?
It's right here.
Oh, wow, that's so cool.
What?
Is that a monorail? No, that's just a metro.
It's just a metro.
It's not, oh, wow.
Oh, you can see through.
They also have billboards just like the last one, and a bunch of shops and cars and dining and,
People.
yeah, everything. Oh, and a canal.
Oh, wait, where? Oh, yeah, I totally saw that. That's about it. We're gonna play this game and come back with our final thoughts.
Bye. And we're back. We're gonna give you a review of MicroMacro Crime City Full House.
My favorite part was finding all the new crimes.
Finding all the new crimes.
Yes.
Okay, this one was just as good or maybe better than the first one. There's a lot of cool locations in here. So in the first map, there was like an established subway system, and the subway system continued onto this map. Also, there was a lake in the first map, and now in this one, the lake turned into a canoe.
And also, some of the bad guys from the last game
Oh yeah, we saw them on this
transferred
map.
into-
The game before this game, there were some cases where the bad guys fled the scene, and then it wasn't part of any puzzle, but we happened to see them walking on the streets here. So it's like they went from one place to the other.
And also their car, boat, anything that they want.
Okay. You can lay the maps on top of each other so it continues, but each of the maps are standalone, so it's not like you need both maps for a case. However, I wonder if they did it so that there are some cases that go in between maps.
Or maybe some of the other crimes also involve the same people from the other map.
Yeah, it's like an extended world.
Yeah.
The one thing that I really like about this sequel is that they put a friendliness / maybe age rating on each of the puzzles so that you can tell how violent it will be. They started out super kid friendly, like the first crime scene was just someone got their hat stolen?
Yeah.
And then in the second or third one, it was just a sloppy person causing accidents, so not intentional crime. And then I guess they slowly get to the more crazy crimes later on. It's pretty kid-friendly, it's all black and white, and even though it's about crimes, I think it's suitable for most people.
We can deal with it.
There's a demo version on the website, and also on the front of each box, there's a mini case before you decide to buy it. But this really is a fun game. And it won one of the Spiel des Jahres, the Germany Game of the Year, as we said that already, I think.
If this looks fun to you, you can purchase this at the link in the description.
Bye.